Let's talk about something every nurse needs but few of us love thinking about: continuing education. If the phrase CE hours makes you sigh, stick around. By the end of this video, online nursing CE will finally make sense, and you might even feel good about it. Continuing education, or CE, is the ongoing learning you complete after you earn your license. It keeps your knowledge fresh and your skills sharp. Online nursing CE simply means you complete that learning digitally. No commuting, no crowded conference rooms, no rearranging your entire schedule. You log in, choose a course, and learn from wherever you are. Think of it as professional development that fits into your life instead of taking it over. So why does CE matter so much? First, it protects your license. Most state boards require a set number of CE hours before you can renew. Miss those hours and you risk your ability to practice. CE keeps you compliant and worry-free. Second, it keeps you current. Medicine changes fast. New guidelines, new medications, and new best practices appear all the time. CE helps you deliver safe, evidence-based care that reflects today's standards, not what you learned years ago. Third, it grows your career. CE can open doors to specialties, certifications, and leadership roles. Every course you finish adds to your expertise and your confidence. Here's the best part. Online CE is built around you. Self-paced. Start and stop whenever you need to. Finish a module on your lunch break or after the kids are asleep. Flexible. Access courses from your laptop, tablet, or phone. Learn at home, on the go, or between shifts. Accredited. Reputable providers offer courses approved by nursing boards and accrediting bodies, so your hours actually count. Most courses follow a simple flow. You read or watch the lesson, complete a short quiz, and download your certificate. That certificate is your proof of completion for license renewal. It really is that straightforward. Let's make this practical. What do you actually gain? You stay ahead of clinical best practices, which means better patient outcomes. You meet renewal requirements without stress or last-minute scrambling. You build skills that can boost your earning potential and career mobility. You learn on a schedule that respects your time and your energy. CE isn't just a box to check. It's an investment in the nurse you want to become. Picture Maria, a medical surgical nurse with a busy family and a demanding schedule. Her license renewal was 3 months away, and she still needed several CE hours. In the past, that would have meant a weekend seminar and a lot of stress. This time, Maria chose online CE instead. She found accredited courses in areas she genuinely wanted to strengthen, including wound care and medication safety. She completed a module here and there, a few minutes at a time. Within a few weeks, she had her hours, her certificates, and a fresh set of nursing skills she could use at the bedside the very next shift. No stress, no wasted weekends, just meaningful learning that fit her life. That's the power of doing it online. Ready to make your CE simple, flexible, and actually valuable? Head to elitelearning.com for trusted, accredited nursing. Continuing education you can complete anytime, anywhere. Renew your license, sharpen your skills, and grow your career, all on your schedule. Visit elitelearning.com today and take the next step in your nursing journey. You've got this.